stop applying the creams on your acne-prone skin right now. It doesn't matter how expensive your BHA or retinol treatments are. If you use the wrong moisturizer, your face will remain a mess. Many of you are burning money on strong actives to fight breakouts, but your skin is still peeling, red, and completely wrecked. The secret to fixing this isn't another harsh acne treatment, but getting this one exact step right. Today, we are exposing the absolute truth about the Paula's Choice Clear All-Free Moisturizer. I am going to show you exactly why some people experience stinging when they use it, how to fix the reaction instantly, and how to properly layer it to finally destroy those stubborn comedones. Please do not even think about buying this product until you have watched this video up to the 4th minute. Because if you completely skip moisturizer out of fear of clogged pores, your delicate skin barrier will eventually collapse. When that happens, your oil glands will overcompensate, and your inflammatory acne will just come back with a vengeance. Let us talk about how this actually feels the second it touches your face. When you squeeze it out, it looks like a typical gel cream, but the moment you blend it, it literally melts into a watery essence. Initially, you will feel a burst of cooling moisture, but give it exactly 30 seconds. It completely disappears into a smooth, matte finish without leaving any heavy, greasy film behind. This lightweight texture is a lifesaver for anyone dealing with excessive T-zone all throughout the day. But the real magic lies in its carefully formulated ingredient list. It is packed with niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, which is incredible for calming down angry redness and visibly minimizing enlarged pores. It also contains a solid dose of ceramides to actively rebuild your skin barrier, which is absolutely crucial when your skin is going through an intense treatment phase. To top it off, the blueberry extract and pumpkin seed extract provide powerful antioxidants to soothe environmental stress. Now, let us address the elephant in the room and those 1-star reviews on the internet. A lot of people complain that this moisturizer stings or makes their face turn red upon application. Here is the scientific reason behind the reaction. If your skin barrier is already compromised from abusing strong acids, applying a product with niacinamide will cause a temporary tingling sensation. Another common mistake is applying this specific oil-free formula onto a face that is way too wet. If you have an oily canvas that easily breaks out into hidden bumps but feels incredibly tight and stay, and gain from acne medications, this is the exact balancing act you need. By the way, the link to buy Paula's Choice Clear All-Free Moisturizer on Amazon is in the video description, so you can easily click there to check the best current price. Let me show you exactly how to incorporate this into a realistic routine to get the best possible results. For your nighttime routine aimed at clearing out comedones, always start with a high-quality deep cleanser to remove impurities. Next, apply your Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant to unclog those pores. Here is the crucial step. Wait for about 15 minutes to let the acid do its job and allow your skin's pH level to stabilize. Finally, lock all the hydration in with the Clear All-Free Moisturizer. This moisturizer acts as the perfect soothing buffer, and because of its unique texture, it will absolutely not cause any annoying pilling when layered over your treatments. For your morning routine, you want something that feels completely weightless. This moisturizer layers absolutely flawlessly underneath your daily sunscreen. It provides just enough hydration so your skin doesn't panic and produce excess oil, keeping that midday T-zone shine completely under control. So, who should actually spend their money on this, and who needs to stay far away? If you have dry or severely dry skin, do not buy this, because it simply will not provide enough heavy moisture for you. However, if you have oily, acne-prone skin, combination skin, or if you are actively using retinol and BHA, this is a mandatory addition to your vanity. It gives you that invisible, weightless hydration without ever causing clogged pores. Instead, of wasting your hard-earned cash jumping between dozens of different creams that only irritate your skin further. Invest in the right formula to save your skin barrier. Do not forget that the link to buy Paula's Choice Clear All-Free Moisturizer on Amazon is right down below in the video description. And if you are still unsure about how to properly use the 2% BHA to push out all the hidden acne before applying this moisturizer, you need to watch the video on the screen right now. I have broken down that exact routine step by step over there. So click on it and I will see you in that video.